Another day, another trend. The Royal Mail begins the first drone mail delivery in the UK. On the announcement of the collaboration between Royal Mail and drone business Skyports, a significant development in mail delivery technology was unveiled in the form of the Orkney I-Port operation. This groundbreaking initiative established the Orkney Islands as the pioneering location for drone-powered mail delivery in the United Kingdom. The project aimed to leverage the capabilities of drone technology to overcome the challenges posed by the region's weather and terrain, which frequently disrupt traditional delivery services. The key features of the Orkney I-Port operation included the use of a multirotor drone designed to transport letters and parcels between the islands. The drone had an impressive payload capacity, capable of carrying items weighing up to 6 kilograms. This payload capacity was tailored to accommodate various types of mail items, enabling efficient and reliable delivery of both letters and parcels. One of the primary motivations behind this initiative was to enhance the quality of service provided to the islands of Graemsay and Hoy. These areas face challenges related to accessibility and timely deliveries due to their remote locations and often harsh weather conditions. By introducing drone technology into the delivery process, the partners sought to significantly improve service levels and delivery times. This was expected to have a transformative impact on the island's communities, ensuring that residents could receive their mail more efficiently and punctually. Another noteworthy advantage of the drone-powered mail delivery system was the safety benefits it offered to postal workers. Traditional modes of travel between the island's ports could be risky due to the unpredictable weather and treacherous terrain. With the implementation of the drone service, postal workers were guaranteed a safer means of traveling between ports without exposing themselves to unnecessary risks. This marked a significant step forward in terms of occupational safety and highlighted one of the ancillary benefits of integrating drones into mail delivery operations. The director of Skyports Drone Services, a key figure in this collaboration, emphasized the transformative potential of drone technology in revolutionizing mail services, particularly in remote and challenging environments. The director highlighted the efficiency and punctuality gains that drones could offer while also underscoring the environmental benefits. By reducing the reliance on traditional vehicles that emit greenhouse gases, the drone-powered mail delivery system aligned with broader sustainability goals. As part of the project's rollout plan, the drone delivery service was initially launched on a trial basis for 3 months. During this trial period, its performance, reliability, and user feedback were carefully monitored to assess its feasibility and impact. The goal was to ascertain the effectiveness of the drone system in real-world conditions and understand any potential challenges that might arise. Upon successful completion of the trial period, the partners aimed to transition the Orkney I-Port operation from a temporary initiative to a permanent fixture. This transition was contingent on meeting existing regulatory standards to ensure the continued safety, security, and compliance of the drone-powered mail delivery service. To finance this innovative endeavor, the project received financial support from the Department of Transport's Freight Innovation Fund. This funding source played a crucial role in enabling the collaboration between Royal Mail and Skyports, highlighting the government's recognition of the project's potential to reshape the delivery landscape and contribute to advancements in transportation and logistics. In summary, the collaboration between Royal Mail and Skyports resulted in the establishment of the Orkney I-Port operation, a pioneering drone-powered mail delivery system. This initiative aimed to revolutionize mail services in remote communities, offering more efficient, punctual, and safer deliveries while also aligning with environmental sustainability goals. The successful implementation of the trial period was intended to pave the way for a permanent, transformative solution to mail delivery challenges in challenging terrains and adverse weather conditions.